So sinaye futhi namhlanje usichazela kabanzi ukuthi le service yabo ihamba igcine. What's up, Yugan?
How's it, guys?
You right, buddy?
I don't know, Fando.
How was your weekend?
Good, thanks.
All good?
Excellent.
You look relaxed, bro. You had 1-2 dops and you were like, right?
I think so. I think so.
I think so.
Right, let's go straight to business. So, is a dealership service history important when one comes out of warranty?
No, Fando, many people ask me this question. And people always think, dealership service history is very important for the vehicle. Yes, to the manufacturer it's very important at the beginning of its first 100,000 odd kilometers when they normally give you the warranty on the vehicle. But after that, you generally would have paid that vehicle off. So once the vehicle's out of warranty, it's time for you now to save that money on that installments that you used to pay and to try to find a good, reputable car service center like Premier Auto Services where we meet and exceed all the accreditations and build a relationship with us. That's what we do. We build relationships with our clients. And it's based on good service and affordability and just being there for them. So you could still get good motoring mileage out of a car that's out of warranty.
So is this why you say a motorist should stop servicing with their dealership?
I think this is an opportunity for motorists to start saving their money once their car's out of warranty. And the other thing as well is once their vehicle's out of warranty, at this time the car's accumulated a fair bit of mileage. So that it's got wear and tear and parts are starting to break. When you're at dealerships are going to charge you an arm and a leg, literally. Sometimes some people walk out of there with bills that they probably think they have to sell a kidney to be able to afford. And that's the thing about dealers. Dealers generally quote for the entire system. They won't look at repairing a unit or trying to assist the customer looking at it from an affordability perspective. For them it's like, your ABS system is faulty, let's give you a brand spanking new one, a complete thing. And that's probably the price of the car.
So would you say, depending on where you service your car, it has an effect or it affects your resale?
That was a myth back in the day. Or probably may have held some water back in the day that your service history assists your vehicle in terms of resale value. But these days when money is tight and affordability is a big concern, people generally service their vehicles out of warranty with aftermarket service centers. As long as you have a good service center backing you up, you've got all your invoices and you've got your service records, you're good to go. Unless you're driving a Ferrari or something exotic, that's when you're going to want to service with a dealer for resale value. But otherwise, no need.
Okay, I'm out then.
Clearly. So you don't really have to stick with your dealer. You can actually go out there and get some people that are going to charge you as per your requirements, not necessarily for the whole pack of a car.
True.
All right.
True.
So if you're asking yourself who we're talking to Premier Auto as a car, and so so when your car is out of a warranty, the best option is exactly that. You need to go to them. They're situated at 1415 Crescent Road, Old North Coast Road, near Bluffmead Supply. They will give you professional service and repair while saving you big bucks. You can also call them on 031 569 6939 or simply WhatsApp them on 074 480 3900. We can simply find them on Facebook or all other social networks.
Injalo nje, Yugan, thank you very much. We really appreciate it, and we're hoping that you're gonna get as many people as possible coming through to Premier Auto Service e-car for service and everything, right?
Thank you very much.
Take care, buddy. Have a good week ahead. Right now, sizongena kuzona ke ezemidlalo, signeze namanqampu ezemidlalo.